guys, what's going on? Welcome to a brand new video, and today we're getting ready to head off to Great Wolf Lodge. It's an awesome indoor water park in Massachusetts. It's about 2 hours from here. I've never been there before. I'm really excited. And yesterday was my brother's birthday, and the day before that was my cousin's birthday. So this is like their birthday gift from my grandparents. Yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm packing up over here. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, and now I'm all packed up. I got everything here in my backpack. I got like the GoPro and stuff, so we're all set from the water. Spencer, are you packed up as well?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Spencer got a phone for his birthday. He got the Google Pixel. How do you feel about that?
Excited.
So yeah, now Spencer finally has a phone. He's 12 now. And yeah, look, this is what he got from our grandparents, and it has his name on it and the day that we'll be there. Alright, and now our grandparents are here. We're heading out, coming here to the car. And yeah, now after this, we're going to pick up our cousin. Hey, Zach.
Hi.
And this is our cousin Zach. You've probably seen him in my videos before, but if not, this is our cousin. And now we're continuing the ride up to Great Wolf Lodge. We have about 2 hours from here. And now we are in Massachusetts, and we still have about 45 minutes left until we get there. And now we have arrived finally. There's Great Wolf Lodge over there. Now we gotta get our bags. High five. Yeah.
6.
Hello.
Thank you.
Okay, and yeah, this is our room. 2 beds here and then a sleeper sofa. And we gotta put on these bracelets right now. Also, guys, just appreciate the size of that water slide. That is massive. Alright, guys, now we are all changed into our bathing suits. And yeah, I guess Zach is a vlogger now with the GoPro.
Yippee!
So yeah, I'm gonna take the GoPro down there so we can get some in-water footage. And switching to the GoPro in 3, 2, 1. There we go. That is ah. Thank you. That is a really deep pool. guys, and now we're all drying off. Spencer has his Great Wolf Lodge t-shirt. And yeah, after this, I think Spencer is going, he has that Dunkin' Donuts gift card that he got for his birthday. There's a Dunkin' Donuts here, so we're gonna go there. And then I think we're gonna go to the arcade after that. Okay, and now we're back at the room and switching back to the regular camera in 3, 2, 1. There we go, that's better. Okay guys, and now we are all changed. We're gonna head out to Dunkin' Donuts and then the arcade. We got these wolf ears because we're at Great Wolf Lodge. Also guys, look at the big half pipe right now. It is all lit up at night. That looks really cool. And now we are heading out. Bye. Elevator. Go.
We have our elevator now.
Going
up. Relax.
Oh, that's going up. Never mind. No, we go to
G. And now we're just gonna get a little bit of food. And while our pizza's cooking, we're doing the arcade. They're at the giant stacker right now. Oh! Ah! Oh! There we go. Okay, Spencer's trying the massive claw. He's won it at the arcade at home, but let's see if he can do it here.
So, this green one looks okay. Here we go. That's got it. That's got it.
Ah,
So rigged.
this one is definitely rigged. And now pizza's ready, so we're heading over there. Pizza. I hit it, but it didn't go down.
3, 2, 1, 0.
We got 490. We got 50 tickets.
490 tickets.
No. That's good.
You got this. State, yes! Boo yeah! Winner, 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 winner. Okay, I'm gonna win one for Zach now.
Or at least try to.
Yeah.
You know which one to get?
Go for this one.
Nope, don't.
You're not good. Wait, move a little forward. That's got it. That's got it. Stay in there. We
Yes,
go.
high five. I owe you.
And now we're done with the arcade. We all got giant hammers
Awesome.
and balls from the claw machine. It was really fun. Although I will admit that arcade was expensive. It was like $2 per game. Okay, now we're heading off to mini golf. How are you guys liking Great Wolf Lodge so far?
Awesome.
Yeah, it's really fun here. We decided not to do mini golf because honestly the mini golf course was pretty small. But we're gonna play some massive checkers. This is a pretty intense match. They've been dueling it out for almost 20 minutes. Oh, Zach has Spencer trapped right now. Wherever he moves, he will get hopped over. Oh.
Don't pass it back. Don't pass it back.
Walk over there.
Start with walk.
He's passing it to you.
Right here.
Okay, now go for the roof.
Go through. Don't hit it too hard when it comes down. Right behind you.
Get that, yes!
Okay, and now we're all done with over there. That was really fun, right guys?
Yeah, took us so long to get, but we
Yeah.
finally got it.
That literally took them like 20 minutes to get. Those are some pretty cool trick shots. And now we're going to get some ice cream. Ice cream time. Okay, I got an ice cream and Spencer and Zach got ices. And now we are back at the room. Okay, and I'm just gonna outro the video there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed our day 1 at Great Wolf Lodge. I'll be back again probably within the next couple days with Great Wolf Lodge Day 2. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.